Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AACG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a train wreck of a day, and a bunch of people. Sorry about that. But just accidentally dragged my one indicator up higher. But anyways, a day where a bunch of people just got are not going to have a good weekend because of this one. But it is what it is. Everybody's been there, and for the newer traders, you just got to learn from it. But nonetheless, still a lot of eyeballs watching this one, so I want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just get rid of these lines here. Yes, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right here at $7.50 is now going to be that near-term area of resistance where if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where that first big question mark is going to be all about. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to $7.50, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay up above it? So you want to keep a very close eye on that $7.50 mark if the price does try to curl back upwards and make it a push to the upside. In the event it does not and it starts to drift potentially downwards, that next key level of support to watch closely going to be right there at the $5.70 mark. And then after $5.70, next key level of support is at that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that is right there around, we'll call it $4.10, give or take a little bit. So those are going to be the main technical levels here headed into next week. But yeah, overall, very, very brutal day, but who knows? It's been a crazy mover, so maybe this thing can get turned around early next week. We'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.